Okay, so I'm going to add one requirement: text align justified. So those are the requirements. We need to work on each of them. We need to ask text align. Okay, that one is okay. So let us begin. I'm going to go to the next page. This is the first page of my document, because if I look at the statistics from pressing on the right, on top the right, the three dots on the right, there is document outline, word count is here. So this one counts everything for us. So there are 61 words. If you are to count everything here, which I've written in words, there are 61 words. There are 370 characters. Then 322 characters excluding spaces. So 370 including spaces. Each space between these words are counted. I said a space is also a character, as all letters A to Z are characters, 0 to 9 are characters, all signs and symbols are characters. So if you count everything in this document, what I've written so far, there are 370 including the spaces, even the full stop inclusive. So if we exclude the spaces, there are 322 characters. Now, I will go to the next page by pressing enter until I move to the next page. I'm pressing my enter key, the blue button, this blue button with the arrow. Oh, do I next page. Oh, I think my page is not broken, but it's okay. Let me go back. So from here, let me put the heading. The question is, we have to research on ICT. So my first priority will be the meaning of ICT. Let me make it in capital letters. I'm gonna expand this one. The meaning of ICT. Enter. Based on the requirements, all headings must be bold and font size 16. So I will come back to that. Let me first do this. I don't know what ICT is. What should I write? So I will go to Google, the internet, to research the meaning of ICT. I'm also teaching you how to do research on the internet. If you have something you don't understand, you can go to the internet and research about it. So Wikipedia is giving me information and communication technology is an extensional term for information technology that stresses the role of undefined communication and so on. The other links here: what is the meaning of ICT? What is the meaning of ICT in education? What is ICT an example? So there's so many. If I tap on this, I can have a glimpse of what it is all about. This one, information and communication technology can impact students. With example, similar to information technology, ICT refers to technology used for regular, everyday tasks, sending an email, making a video call, searching the internet, using a tablet or mobile phone, and more. Okay. Yes, I'm so much interested in this. Let me choose this one and read more. Okay. So you'll find that information and communication technology, ICT, skills. Even though technology has increased, blah, 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 and the rest. Okay. So what is information and communication technology? So this is what I am interested in. So I will copy this. So to copy, you will tap and hold down until this one appear, and you drag up to down. Okay. Then you select copy. You come to your document. You come to your document here and you paste it. Now, this is not your word. This is not coming from you. You are copying from somebody else. So there's what we call plagiarism. If you copy and you don't reference that person, your work will be plagiarized work, which is not ethical. So you need to go back to where you have picked this one from, and you find who is the author of that document or what you have copied. So for now, on top here you can see by Alison Doyle, updated on September 15th, 2020. So we need to reference, and to reference we are going to use what we call APA version 6 or 7. So this work is written by Alison Doyle. So I'll write Alison should be in brackets, Alison, comma 2020, then you close. So down we are going to have the references, the reference list, where you need to also bring the details about that person, Alison, comma the year of publication is 2020, and the title is this one, information and communication technology skills. And if need be, you can also copy the links where you are getting it from. Okay, so this means your work is well organized and it has not been plagiarized, because you have referenced the source where you are getting this information from. So information and communication technology skills refer to one's ability to converse with people through various technology. Similar to information technology, ICT refers to technology used for regular everyday tasks. So this includes sending an email, making a video call, searching the internet, using a tablet or mobile phone, and more. So back on the requirements, line spacing should be 1.5, font style should be Times New Roman, font size, font style should be Times New Roman, font size 12, include images, include table listing, ICT, listing different ICT tools. Heading should be bold, italicized, and underlined with font size 16. So let me begin with that. So to change that, you need to select your heading here. You tap and hold down until the select option comes. Then you select it. It should be bold. This B stands for bold, so I will tap on bold. Then to italicize is I. This I here is italicized, so I will tap on I. It is italicized. Then underline, I'll tap on U. This U is for underline, so I'll tap on it. So bold, italicize, underline. Then the font size should be 16. The font size should be 16. So to increase the font size, I will come on top here. There's this tick sign from the left, the arrow bending to the left, which is undo, the arrow bending to the right, which is redo, and there's also this A with some dashes on the right of it. So that one is for different settings, additional settings. So I'm going to tap on that. As you see here, it will give me the tile. The style is normal text. Font should be Times New Roman. For now it is Arial, so I will tap on it and look for where Times New Roman is. Times New Roman is here, this one. So I will tap on it. As you see, it has been selected and the style has changed to Times New Roman. Font size should be what? Should be 16. So there's this arrow undersize. There's arrow which is pointing down on the left, and then there's arrow pointing up on the right. So the one pointing down is to reduce the size, then the one on the right is to increase the size. So the size should be 16. That one is done. The text color has not been specified. The text color has not been specified, but if you want to specify the text color for your heading, you can tap on it, text color here, this one. So you tap on it and you can choose a color, your favorite color for the heading. For now, let me go with purple. Yes. Is it pink? Purple? Yes, I will go purple. So for the heading is done, and for the text, the body, for the body I will highlight. Again, I said to highlight or to select like this. To select like this, you come at the beginning of your word like information, so you tap on it. You put your hands on your smartphone screen and hold down until that line has come, and then you drag down without removing your hands up to the end. It will be highlighted. So if it will be selected, I mean if it is selected, then you can make the changes. So the same thing, the font size, the font style should be Times New Roman, font size 12. Your work should be justified. Right now it is align left. So this one here is for alignment. Okay, this one is for alignment. So it is align left. If I tap on it, it will give me option. The second one is to align center. The third option is to align right, and then the last option is justify. So if you justify your works, that means both left and right appears on the same line. Compared to when this left, you can see the difference. This is aligned left, this one is centered, this one is aligned right, and this one is justify. So your work should be justified. And line spacing should be 1.5. I will go back to this A, this one here, the format. This A is for the format, so I will change the format. I will tap on it. Under paragraph, this is under text, and then there's also paragraph on this side, so you tap on each of them to change. Okay, so the line spacing is here. Right now it is 1.15, but the line spacing should be 1.5. Again, there are two arrows, the one pointing down, which is on the left, and the one pointing right, which is on the right of the figure. So if you tap on the one on the left, it will reduce. So the minimum is 1. Then the one on the right increases to 2. Okay, but we need it to be 1.5. So I think what other requirements do we need to? Text alignment, this one is done. Font size 12, font style Times New Roman, line spacing 1.5. So that is done. Heading should be bold, italicized, and underlined. Font size 16. Page number, we are going to do it later. Header, we are going to do it later. Your name and phone number, we are going to do it later. So this is it for the meaning of ICT. We shall continue in the next video.